call the opposition spokesperson, Tan Desi.
Thank you very much, Dame Caroline, and it is a pleasure to serve under your chairship for this statutory instrument regarding guided transport modes. Since taking on this brief over 2 years ago, I have consistently marvelled at the innovation and progress made within the transport industry. Improving safety, efficiencies and tackling the climate crisis have all long been aims of this industry through their consistent innovation. Battery-operated trains, the development of driverless vehicles, and of course, among the more recent developing technologies, non-physically guided transportation, often through the use of sensors. As has been outlined by the Minister, this statutory instrument facilitates applications to be authorised for new transport schemes wishing to use non-physical guidance. Clearly, this signals a significant potential change for our tramways, bus lanes, railways and roads, and ultimately expands the types of guided transport modes TWA applications can cover. Whether this enables buses to be able to use road markings as guidance or for trains to monitor tracks and surroundings through sensors, it is important that legislation maintains the safety of these emerging technologies whilst simultaneously ensuring our transport systems are able to take advantage of the latest developments. Whilst I appreciate this SI simply enables these applications and individual applications will be considered on their merits for safety, worker and passenger impact through existing legislation, it would be remiss of me to not mention these issues. Dame Caroline, as the Minister will be aware, through the consultation documents produced alongside this SI, some concerns were raised regarding the limits and drawbacks on sensor technology in particular. This included poor weather impacting the capabilities of electromagnetic contact and therefore the information a sensor is able to convey. As we all know, weather already has a significant impact on our railways in particular, as we have seen through landslides, heat waves and debris on the track. Safety must be paramount when it comes to transport, and I appreciate that such technology should in fact mitigate some safety concerns, including the detection of obstructions, pedestrians and faults. But I hope any safety concerns can be addressed directly by the Minister. Further, we must also consider any potential worker impact the implementation of these technologies and further automation may have. Any needless cutting back of experienced and valuable workers on our transport networks does not serve passengers, transport operators or the system as a whole. And I know there will certainly be anxieties about this from the transport sector, given the current chaotic climate the government is presiding over. So will the Minister reassure me that those who have dedicated decades to our railways will not be shortchanged by such innovations, but are better supported by them? As the Minister knows, supporting and allowing such innovation to develop must be a continued priority for government, ensuring adequate research and development spending and encouraging the best and the brightest within Great Britain to build industries which will help us tackle future challenges. We cannot fall behind, particularly, Dame Caroline, to our European counterparts, as we have with previous technological innovations like electrification. Indeed, as has been noted, such technologies covered in this SI are already operational in Spain, France, Japan and China. Without funding and support, we cannot realise these technologies for our own transport network. So what steps has the Minister recently taken to ensure adequate research and development spending in this area to ensure this technology can indeed flourish? I hope, Dame Caroline, that government is guided by industry experts, unions and developing technologies to ensure that we develop a world-leading transport network with the safety of passengers and workers at its very heart. Thank you very much.